Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. I am 12 days into the month right here. That is $45,000. That's all free traffic, okay? In this video, it's going to literally change your life, okay? Because we're going to talk about the biggest traffic source in the entire world, which is Google, and they own a lot of freaking traffic sources, okay? It's insane how much traffic sources they have. All right, so here we go. I'm going to talk to you guys about Max Bounty a bit here, but you can literally crush it with any affiliate network. This is a CPA marketing network right here, okay? So Google, you can absolutely demolish with this platform. It's insane, okay? This platform, guys, if you look right here, let me just show you this right here. So you can literally get 90 billion freaking views. Just kidding. You yourself probably can't get 90 billion freaking people to a website. But Google has that much traffic. Just Google. So they're the number one website across the board. And they are huge. Okay. You can absolutely crush it. Okay. Let's take off the mask. So basically, guys, we're going to leverage the power of Google and every platform Google has to build you a business that can basically get you traffic 24/7 to whatever offers you want, whatever vertical you want to do. Okay. It's crazy. Literally everyone everywhere uses Google. So it's insane. All right, let's keep going. So here is YouTube. YouTube was bought out by Google a long time ago for like $1 billion or so. And YouTube is a big opportunity maker for anyone. Anyone can hop on YouTube. The reason why YouTube is better than any social media platform to make money on is your content will last forever. Okay, they're the second biggest site in the world, and it's very important to understand. Money follows attention, and if this is where all the attention is, you should take advantage of it. I mean, I have a huge YouTube channel, not this one. This one's a small YouTube channel. I have a huge YouTube channel that gets results like this. Okay, passively, free traffic. I put a little bit of ads to boost stuff here and there for fun to make videos like perform a little bit better. And it's like, that's all I do. And it's super cheap. Like I'm telling you, it was less than $1,000 this month so far. And I'm 12 days into the month. And every single month, I mean, for a long time, a few years now, I've been making money like this per month. Okay. And it's crazy. This is only 12 days in the month. And that's because of YouTube. Build one channel, guys. And I mean, I have thousands of videos on that channel. They all get views every freaking day. And they link in a very special way to what I'm selling. And I literally only talk about that inside the sweepstake program, which is also inside the mega bundle. And I talk about it specifically inside of coaching calls and mentorships and stuff like this. People can do it too. And no one is like, I am not smart, man. Like, me being able to do that took me a long time of failure. I'm no prodigy, no prodigy at all. And I've been broke and depressed. I can tell you right now, making money is really, really good. It's a healthy thing for people to do. Being broke is very, very unhealthy. And you can get out of that if you are in that scenario. Or if you just want more money, this is how you do it. You leverage the power of Google in every which way. Okay, I'm going to talk to you about different offers here that you can promote. This can basically be a copy paste strategy. I'll share with you the whole strategy at the end, basically. But across the board, this is basically copy and paste. Okay, so you'll see like the most random channels. Like this is a YouTube account that's not even signed in, so you've got just random channels that have the best performing content, and YouTube showing you the best performing content to figure out what you like. That's what this is. I mean, people are growing channels in any niche. I mean, it doesn't matter. When you grow an audience in a niche, you're able to promote new offers all the time. With my sweepstakes offers I promote, and even pay per sale offers like crazy on my huge channel, I'm able to basically promote way easier because people are used to the offers I'm promoting, and I will introduce new offers all the time to people. Okay, that's about every few days. Sometimes we'll do a massive pay per sale offer that's new to the market and just promote that. I mean, usually just a Max Bounty, but I do different other stuff, which I don't really share too much about. But I mean, I literally do like funnels, just PR products, okay? And you guys can do that too, no problem. You can literally do that, no problem. And it's kind of interesting, by the way. You'll see Mr. Beast everywhere on YouTube. Like we're scrolling down here, always sees Mr. Beast. So kind of interesting. Like he knows what works, and what works is straight up high click the rate, high watch time on YouTube. If you do that in one niche, you don't have to have broad appeal like what he's doing. You can literally enter into a niche like just comedy, okay? I have a lot of comedy videos on my one big channel, which I will never share. I don't want to be straight up just copied, but I do want to have people change their lives too. And all you need to do, pick one niche, start making content in it, and promote freaking offers that are relevant. Even your own offers, you might as well. And your own offers will get you 100% commission. And that is fantastic because you can make a business out of that very well. Affiliate marketing works extremely easily when you enter a niche where you can have high ticket products. Like, that's probably one of the easiest ways to make money with affiliate marketing by far. But what I've had success with is a lot of volume of traffic and low ticket and mid ticket offers. Okay, like this. It's been working for me for a long time. I run paid ads too, like crazy. Like, I can run paid ads all day. Okay, and I have paid ads and campaigns running still to this day. Some come and go over the years, and it's like you scale them up to the moon, and you can end up making like 2x all the way to 10x ROIs. And I've had different things that have done that, and things that are doing that currently, and it's literally insane. Okay, so here we are. Once again, you pick one channel, just double down one channel. When you maintain it and you're able to maintain it, and you get people that can save you time, they make thumbnails for you. You can get people who edit the videos for you. You can make the videos yourself still. You might as well. And I recommend for everyone, you should do content marketing every day of your life till you die. And you should be doing paid ads every day until you die. And you should combine the two. You should combine the two together for sure. That is where the money's at. Marketing's where the money's at. Inside my channel, I'm sharing to you guys gold here. Gold. And at the end of this month, I'm literally giving you guys a strategy. You'll see on the 1st to the 3rd. It's only going to be available then, and then I'm cutting it off forever. I will never sell it again. It's a method that's insane, okay? So be ready for that. So here we are. This is the trending page, okay? And if you go here, you'll also see what YouTube pushes out. And this is stuff that's trending right now. And so I love this page because I'll go to this page very often for my big channel to basically model after these videos, make fair use out of these videos, basically add commentary, criticism to the videos. And then I talk about the offers in the description, and I promote the offers in the description, okay, in a very unique way. And it's like anyone could do this. It's not very hard. It's just you got to have a lot of channels. A lot of videos on a channel. And they all interlink. They all grow together, and it's like insane, okay? And that's how it works on YouTube. And that is really weird. That kid has no collarbone. Okay. You want to create a Gmail account. You want to create a YouTube account. And you guys can also do a vacation autoresponder. And it's not like the key to all success, but I'm telling you right now, if you have an email, a Gmail account that you set up, basically link it in the description of your videos, you can get people contacting you, and you can do in the settings a vacation autoresponder. It's free, everything like that. Every time someone emails you, you automatically will send an email to them with a bunch of your offers. You can do that because it's a little micro commitment consistency in people's brains where they're emailing you. They've already done that action. You send them all these resources and freaking free giveaways and freaking any offer relevant to your niche. It doesn't have to be on Max Bounty. It could be on ClickBank. It could be on, I perceive very soon, a lot of advertisers who have CPA offers are going to move to ClickBank. Okay, so be ready for that. Who knows for sure? But ClickBank's going to be now also CPA network. So that's kind of a big deal. Okay, so be ready for that. You want to also have Google Ads, guys. And this is something I just noticed when I was putting together this video is you can basically have a extra $1,000 ad credit after you spend $1,000 with Google Ads. So you can instantly make easy money, guys, if you've never advertised on Google Ads. Anyone new to Google Ads is going to be profitable if they spend $1,000 and they make even 2x back, and then they also get another $1,000. They could start a business overnight too, a decent business, and keep growing from there by getting another $1,000 ad credit, and they can grow like a YouTube channel or something, okay, if they do a new account, okay? So they make 30 videos. You make 30 videos in one niche. You double down on what performed the best, and then now you start running ads, okay, Google ads to your content. Now check this out. Here's the whole strat, guys. This is how you freaking make $1,000 to $3,000 per day with Google. Everything Google, like everything that's Google owned, you can make money with, and you can literally just use stuff that Google created, just like Google Wi-Fi. You can use a Google freaking laptop. You can use Google freaking apps they have. And the biggest ones, of course, YouTube and stuff like this, okay? You can use inside of your Google Drive for free. I do this pretty often because it just looks nice and super easy to maintain. And I mean, I use ClickFunnels all day, bro, for all my stuff. But I literally, for my offer wall pages and stuff like this, and like simple landing pages, I'll use Google Sites. Okay, so it's basically inside the Drive, the Google Drive. You could make for free a Google site page that's super simple. It also can rank inside of Google search engines. You'll get traffic from that naturally. And you link in the description of your videos to that page, and you can have a bunch of offers on there. And you can also make more pages too, that are just landing pages to more offers. Okay, and this is where you get a bunch of commissions on this site. Okay, so you guys are going to leverage basically SEO, search engine optimization stuff. You're going to leverage Gmail. You can pay people to basically email to their list, but not necessarily Gmail lists, but people just are list owners on Udemy you can go to and stuff like this. And Google Maps, and then Google, and then YouTube. Okay, mainly YouTube is what I'm really trying to stress here to you guys. YouTube ranks inside Google search and stuff like this too. And Google pushes out videos, and it'll be there forever, man. I could picture people crushing it with this. Now, let's look at this, guys. Okay, so here we are in Max Bounty, just to show you guys some freaking offers you can promote. Here we are. So, let's say you want to enter into the niche of, you could do legal, you could do gaming. Gaming niche gets a lot of attention. You could do dating niche, sex gets attention. I've talked about that in a few videos. Like if you make, like screen record certain gaming offers or webcam offers in the adult niche and blur stuff, you can get them on YouTube. Even like you could download literally adult videos and blur stuff, and it gets a lot of attention. Okay. And you could totally do that and get a ton of attention, then link to a ton of freaking CPA offers and that are in the dating niche. But here's the thing, you could do that with anything, guys, and it's powerful. Let's look at a niche. I mean, I really want to, okay, finance or BizOp. Okay, finance or BizOp are really, really good. This one literally pays you $8 EPC on average. This is a per lead basis. This one pays $800 per lead. So it's pretty insane. This is a powerful niche. But the thing is, this is Bitcoin related. And with Bitcoin and crypto offers, you really want to do hyper targeted stuff. I could go on about how to really crush it with freaking crypto, but I won't too much. I mean, you could just make a freaking channel. Okay, I don't want to rant too long, but you could just make a channel about crypto and start linking to offers. That's a simple way. But if you want paid ads to work, there are secrets to this advertising game. Okay, do a tax relief channel. If you haven't noticed, stimulus check trend is still going strong. Okay, and that offer right there will pay you $60 per lead, and you can get leads all day long, all day. And that's not even, you should never do just one offer. So I'm saying, like, promote this, promote more tax relief offers, and more and more and more. Okay, guys, if you want to do business to business or BizOp or something like this, one only has 4. Let's look into it. Okay, I've never really seen this section of this. Okay, 99 designs. You could start talking about logos for like 100 videos, and forever you'll have an income promoting 99 designs, and you can also promote Fiverr. Okay, BizOp right here, lit. This is a powerful niche right here. Okay, you can literally go, okay, this is a powerful strategy. Listen closely. You guys can make good money doing this. Okay, anyone. Go sign up on DoorDash to be a person who works with DoorDash. Make videos while you do DoorDash. I have seen this before. Very few people in this world are doing this. I bet there's only maybe 2 people. Okay, so DoorDash, you're doing DoorDash, you talk about DoorDash, and every day you're filming your DoorDash experience. You don't need to edit the videos too crazy. Then you link down below right here for people to become an acquisition person, like a driver person. Okay, you get $50 per lead. And if people want to be a customer for DoorDash, you get literally $2.40 per lead. You can do this all day long, just these 2 offers. Where is it? Right here. These 2 offers, you can crush it. And you can also put together an info product if you want to write a book, if you want to launch more offers of your own in the future. You can build a whole business, guys, just about DoorDash. And then you can go even further than that and do other freaking make money apps like that and film your experiences using them and also promote them. I mean, it's everywhere, guys. I don't know what to say to you. So you're leveraging the biggest site in the world. Google's just the median. It's just the middleman. That's why it's the number 1. This is the number 1 for basically the most time on it. People spend on average more time on any platform than other than this one. Like this one, the bounce rate is super low compared to any site on the whole entire internet. People spend on average 21 minutes on here. I mean, it's the biggest site in the world. So leverage that. Start promoting affiliate programs, guys, and stick with me throughout all these videos I'm showing you guys because you can literally crush it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys strategies that are mind blowing, and I already have tons of videos on this channel that can make people a lot of money. I mean, we're gonna have millionaires and for sure people making hundreds per day and thousands per day from the strategies I'm teaching for free here. And then people can grow and get to the point where they're making hundreds and thousands. If you want to do that, I'll see you at the top, my friend. I have a mentorship. It will increase in price over time. I mean, I got the Done For You campaigns that will increase in time over time. I offer courses. Every month I decided I will come out with a new strategy that is mind blowing because I have a lot of them. Okay. And then it'll be gone forever. I will never give it ever again. Okay. So it'll only be available from the 1st to the 3rd. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I know you freaking love this video. So smash that like button and peace out, learning machines. Have a wonderful, wonderful day and go crush it with what I taught here today. Crazy, crazy stuff. Peace.